Welcome to select video buying guide for deciding on the types of water purifiers. Basically, there are four types of water purifiers we are discussing in this video. One is RO, and second is UV, third is UF, fourth is activated carbon. Let's see. This video is presented by Zilak.in. It's smart interactive selection tool. So the water purifier types: RO, ultraviolet UV, ultrafiltration, UF, activated carbon is fourth one. Let's see how RO works. It uses membranes to purify water. High pressure pump to increase the pressure to force the water across membranes. It removes the minutest of impurities such as arsenic, nitrates, and sodium. For what type of water RO purifier suitable? For heavily salinated hot water, RO purifier is best suitable. Underground has a higher concentration of TDS. Is advisable to install RO based water purifier. What exactly is TDS? Is total dissolved salts. Reverse osmosis RO disadvantage. It's not effective as ultraviolet filters against bacteria and virus. Lots of wastage of water produced and breaking of the membranes, impurities and bacteria can easily pass through it. So one more thing is most important factor is this not effective against bacteria and viruses. Let's see how UV works. Uses UV radiation. UV radiation to deactivate bacteria, virus, disease causing organism. For what type of water UV purifier suitable? It's like especially suitable for lake or rivers, harvested rainwater because it has lower concentration of TDS. For these types of water, UV purifier is best recommended, but it is not recommended. Disadvantages: eliminating other contaminants in water such as chlorine or heavy metal, fluoride, arsenic. Water treating must be free of color and muddiness to be treated and kills all germs including viruses, but their bodies remain in the water. How UF works? Ultrafiltration uses hollow fibers of membranes. Water passes through the hollow fibers and suspended solids and solutes of high molecular weight are remain in the fiber. For what type of water UF purifier is suitable? If dissolved salts in limited, treated water, public supply water or well, pond, river and rain harvested waters, UF is better. UF disadvantages: not remove dissolved solids in water, effective when preceded by carbon absorption or when combined with other purification methods. To maintain high pressure water flow, regular cleaning is required. How activated carbon works? Activated carbon is natural material derived from the coal, wood, coconut. Dissolved chemicals in water flowing over the carbon surface stick to the carbon in a thin film where the water passes on. For what type of water activated carbon fuel is suitable? Activated carbon is not effective on hard groundwater and it is best suitable for lake municipality supply water on least cost. Its a disadvantage: it can also reduce the quantity of lead dissolved radon and harmless taste and odor causing components. It can also reduce the quantity of lead dissolved radon and harmless taste and odor causing components. Least expensive, not effective on bacteria, virus, not successful at removing dissolved contaminants or metals such as minerals and salt. If you see the list, it's electricity is not required for RO but UV, but it's not required for UV and not required. Effectiveness on hot water: for RO it is effective, ultraviolet is not effective, UF not effective, activated carbon not effective. Effectiveness bacteria and viruses, it's in moderate in RO, rest of things it's effective. Conclusion: selection of water purifier depends on water hardness and contamination level. If your water is hard, then definitely go for RO, otherwise you may consider UV, UF and activated carbon. Water filter used in combination with other type of filters will yield better results than when used individually. And if water purifier is soft and then you can consider UV. But if your budget is limited, then you can go for U activated carbon. Yeah, that's it. Stay smart, use our interactive buying guide to select right water purifier. All you have to do is to answer simple questions. The tool will present you the right recommendations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.